have some LPS things that we're going to be opening up. The first thing are these little critters inside these like baskets and things. But I forgot what they're called, but it's a blind bag. And we also have this narwhal and octopus set. So I have my scissors up in the air, ready to go. I saw it coming down. We got a little pig and like a bucket thing. And it's really cute. That's our first thing. And now we're going to be opening up the narwhal and octopus. These are really hard to open, so you might want to ask an adult because my dad helps me with this. They're super cute. So, they come with their little like pamphlet thing, and it's the new one. I like having these so I can see what I want from the LPS collection. So he has a little spout that the narwhal has. And then he has an adorable narwhal. And here's a little adorable squid or octopus. And they have some deco bits. And I want to see what she looks like with her spout on. There. Deco bits are one of the things that are really hard. But if you have scissors, it can kind of help. But be careful not to cut the deco bits. Yeah. Okay, that's not going to help. Kind of like one of those mazes to like open up, because you have to like cut it one way and then you have to cut it the other way, and if you do it wrong you have to go back to see where you were. She has a little seashell on. I couldn't really push it in all the way, but there she is. And you can put a deco bit on the squid. I'm going to put the sea star on him. And you can collect the deco bits from like other sets. Because I had the fashion show set and I thought they were ladders, so I didn't actually take them out, but then my friend said they were deco bits. So these are all things that I got. My channel and unboxing more